Hi, Matt Beyer Organizing with the Brother P-Touch Cube product review. The Brother P-Touch Cube Plus is a game changer for professional organizers and for other people who like to label a lot for several reasons. First and foremost, you can save your most commonly used labels. This saves you time because you never have to type out that label again. Second, you can set your cube to quickly print out multiple labels at once. This also saves time. And third, you can print out a wider variety of fonts and images than ever. So let's take a look at the components and parts. Inside the box there is the unit itself, two 24mm cartridges, the charging cord, and of course the instructions. You can't do anything until the battery is charged, so I would ignore the instructions here and start charging right away. The connection to the port for the USB is right here. Also, there is a protective sheet that needs to be removed before you charge the battery. To start using your P-Touch Cube, you need this power LED to turn green. The power button is here, and this is the tape exit slot. That's pretty much it for external parts. No keypad this time. Use the tape exit slot to open the cassette cover and pop the cassette in like this. Close the case and press the power button. Next, you need to download the app from the App Store or Google Play. You can go straight to it by framing a photo of the QR code here and then pressing on this link in yellow. Download the app and open it. You will be given the opportunity to register your machine, which is worth doing. Just follow the on-screen instructions. When it asks you for your serial number, open the cover, pull out the tape, and you will find it underneath. Now you need to pair your label printer with your mobile device. Go to your settings and make sure your Bluetooth is set to on. Then click on it and look for your P-Touch device, starting with PT and ending in the last 4 digits of your serial number. If you don't see it, be sure your printer is turned on. When you see your printer show up under Bluetooth, click on it and it should say Connected next to it. On your mobile device, you will see 4 tabs at the bottom. The first one, the Home tab, shows an array of all your design options for every room in your house. At the bottom of the page, you have the option to create your own label. This is where you will see the same options you will be familiar with on a traditional P-Touch labeler. The second tab collects your saved labels and print history. This is the part that can save you a lot of time. The third tab is for settings, none of which I have found useful. The final tab is for shopping Brother product. Return to the first tab and see if any of the pre-designed labels suit your needs. For example, I don't have kids that need keepsake storage, but I do have a dog that needs pet food storage, so I'm using this pre-existing label. I don't really need this level of description, but hey, it's fun. To create your own label, simply go to the bottom of the Home tab and click on Create Your Own Label. Tap on Text and the keyboard will come up. Start typing your label and notice how the font choice comes up above. It's very small. I kept missing it first. Tap on it and you will see a wide variety of fonts, styles, and sizes to choose from. I quite like this Euphemia font for kitchen and pantry containers. I'm choosing bold, italic, 40 point, justified center. I'm also choosing white on black tape, 2.5 inches long, with no frame. It's going on the 0.7 inch tape in a horizontal direction, but you also have the vertical option. If I hadn't already centered, I could do it here. Now I simply hit print. Be sure your printer is on and that it is paired with your mobile device through Bluetooth. If I have 4 snack bins, you can enter 4 and it will automatically print 4 labels. The Cube printer saves you time on retyping, trimming, and cutting. As I see it, the greatest advantage of the Cube printer is the ability to save time. There is, however, a great risk of time loss, which comes from the wide variety of features and choices of fonts and images. For this reason, my team will continue to use the Helvetica all caps no frame option for most projects unless otherwise requested. Our clients love it when we can do the decluttering, set up organizing systems, and do the labeling all in one day. So we are always looking at every detail to make that happen. Here's an example. If we are printing out multiple keepsakes labels on the P-Touch Cube, we can simultaneously print out individual family names on the traditional P-Touch labeler to go under the keepsakes label in the same Helvetica caps to maintain speed and consistency. I think we'll keep a collection of content descriptions in the Euphemia font, bold, italic, for kitchen labels, so there's some difference there. Otherwise, I'm keeping to the Sherilyn Kenyon adage, just because you can doesn't mean you should. And as I'm always saying, you have to prioritize to organize. Our business model is built on momentum, focus, and completion in a day. I expect the Brother P-Touch Cube Plus will help us further refine our process to this end. And if you've got a lot of labels to print, I highly recommend this product. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.